So as a photographer or as a creator in general, your profile is very important. If you are on your creator's dashboard, that's not the dashboard, creator's dashboard, you'll see that you have two links here that regard your profile. You have edit your public profile and view public profile. So the edit, they're gonna look pretty similar, but this one you get to edit. This is editing directly. I can call this whatever I want, Christian Osmo Photography. This also corresponds in the account backend where it says like my company name or whatever, Christian Osmo Photography. This is the kind of control that I get. It saves automatically. You don't have to worry about it, right? I can go ahead and edit my profile picture. I'll go ahead and just pick one of these, I guess. Or maybe there's something in my downloads folder. Let's go ahead and do this one. I like that photo. So you just drag it over there, it uploads, and should change automatically. There we go. Bam. You can change the color, whatever you want this to be. Again, this saves. There's no need to save. It does it automatically. And so that's that. You've got your title, you've got your tagline, photo, color, whatever you want. Your public galleries, and that's all that you can edit on this thing. These all show up automatically based on settings on the account page. So if I'm back here on in the creator dashboard, oops, I can view my public profile, which is going to look exactly the same as what I just saw, except it doesn't have the little edit icons, and this doesn't do anything. I can't type. But you can see your profile, and you can share this with people, and you can show and hide what ends up right here: public galleries, stock media, etc. Based on what's in here. So this is what shows on. If you go, on your creator dashboard, you go into your account section. This is also where you can change your primary city. If you want to go shoot in New York City, you can just click on this, and it'll show you the public shoots available in that area, or you can not, whatever works. This will control what actually shows on your public profile. So if you're not a photographer and you don't have an upcoming schedule, or if you are a photographer and you don't have an upcoming schedule, but you still want to have a public profile where you can share images and videos or whatever, excuse me, you can disable any one of these. Public galleries will just, that could be just a portfolio of videos as an actor, if that's what you want, and you can send people that, and it looks a little bit more professional than something like StarNow. You press save, and boom, all you have is public galleries. Put up stock media, save, and boom, I've got public galleries and stock media. And now, how do you control what shows there? Oh yeah, sorry. So if I can add a new primary city if I want to be like, I don't know, let's say I wanted to go to Berlin. We did do some shoots in Berlin. I don't think I have that as an option because I don't have any live shoots there. But let's say I have Berlin, Germany. I can add that as my what's it called? My primary city. I'll do a whole overview of the account in a different video. This is more about your profile, but you can save that, and that will also. This is important because this also allows you to create locations in that area. So before, Berlin was not an option for creating a new location. If we go to create locations, you want to choose Berlin. It's now an option. It didn't used to be, right? So that's one thing. That's where you can actually add a city to the system that didn't exist before. It's in your account, and you change your primary city. This is also going to be what it shows the public locations in your city. That's why that's important. Okay. So that's basically it. That's how you edit your profile. You have two options. Two places. You have edit profile over here, where you can change things like your title, tagline, photo, and primary color. And then you have your account on the back end, where you can add what do you want to see right here. In addition to that, you can add a primary city or change your primary city and save it. And I will do, the next video is going to be an overview of the entire back end of the account.